reUser makes it convenient to track and reuse your takeout packaging with our mobile app. First, log into the app with your email address associated with your organization. If you do not already have a token or a container, talk to the dining team to have one added to your account. If you have a token already, simply scan the QR code at the pickup location to start the pickup process. Next, scan the QR code on top of the container you receive from the attendant. Success! Simply show the confirmation screen to the dining attendant and you're good to go. Each scan is recorded to help your organization keep every container in circulation, reducing costs and waste. Once you're done with the container, make sure to empty any uneaten food in the trash or compost bin. Then, drop off your container by scanning the QR code at any of the drop-off locations in your area. Next, scan your container's QR code. You're all set. Drop the container into the collection bin. Each container will be run through a dishwasher, just like a plate, to be thoroughly cleaned before it is put back into use. If you forget these processes at any point, there are walkthrough instructions on each poster, as well as in the help section of the app. Save the planet one scan at a time with reUser.